everyone, and welcome to Tech ID. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to stream, sorry about that, on how to basically stream Valorant or any other game, doesn't really matter, on your Discord. So you're playing a game, you want to share it with your friends, you want to show them that your gameplay. I have mine windowed just for the tutorial sake, otherwise it would be full screen. So the procedure is the same, don't worry about that. You have your Valorant earning, you want to share it with your friends. It's the same procedure as all the other applications, but as you can see, the game's gonna pop up. You can see right here, Valorant has popped up. So once I'm in a VC, all I want to press is stream Valorant, and then I want to press go live. Once I do that, as you can see, Valorant is now being streamed, and yeah, basically I'm streaming Valorant. And if you have Nitro, you can obviously change the quality, but since I don't have Nitro, I can't really change it. And yeah, don't worry about the internet. If you have very low bandwidth, don't do it. But if you have decent internet, like for example 20 Mbps megabits per second network, then yeah, you can stream without any problems, because Discord streaming does not take that much of a toll on your hardware. But make sure that your hardware is somewhat decent, or else your game can be lagging. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.